Hi there, welcome back. We're here to play along with Joni Mitchell's Big Yellow Taxi with a combination of standard chords in the key of C and also chords up the neck in the key of C as well. Check out the tutorial that breaks it all down. I'm here just to play it through with a couple quick reminders before we get going. We'll need our standard C chords, C, F, and G7, with a little vamp at the beginning between C and C over F. We're going to do those through, use those chords through the verses. When we get to the chorus, I'm going to use my inverted C chord here on the 7th and 8th fret, and then an inverted F chord on the 3rd and 5th fret, and an inverted G7 chord as well on the 3rd and 5th fret. Again, if you need to review any of those, check out the tutorial video for this particular song. Last thing is to get in the groove of the calypso strum that we're going to use for this one. We'll go down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. Or you can count it as 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3. Or feel it, ba, 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 ba. Get into your groove. We'll add this vamp at the beginning. Again, that index finger comes down on the up strum after 2. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. Here comes verse 1, starting on F. They pay paradise, put up a parking lot with a pink hotel, a boutique, and a swinging hot spot. Up we go now. Don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you got till it's gone? They pay paradise, put up a parking lot. Yeah, we made it. Here's verse 2. They took all the trees, put them in a tree museum. Then they charge the people $1.50 just to see 'em. Up we go. Don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you got till it's gone? They pay paradise, put up a parking lot. Whew, take a breath. Here comes verse 3. Hey, farmer, farmer, put away that DDT now. Give me spots on my apples, but leave me the birds and the bees. Please, don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you got till it's gone? They pay paradise, put up a parking lot. One more verse, here it comes. Late last night, I heard the screen door slam, and a big yellow taxi took away my old man. And don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you got till it's gone? They pay paradise, put up a parking lot. Let's tag that. Oh, they pay paradise, put up a parking lot. One more time. Oh, they pay paradise and put up a parking lot. And on C. Beautiful. Nicely done. Thanks for playing along with me. You know you can always come back and practice with me anytime you need, especially on this one. Since we're focusing on those chords, if that felt like a lot going through there, leave the strumming out. Don't worry about the strumming. Just focus on where those chords are coming on the beats. You can always bring that strumming hand in later on. I really encourage you to just tackle that layer on its own as long as you need to before you bring in the others. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time around.